Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow Steam download speed. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So you should know that this problem is more common than you think, and in order to fix this slow Steam download speed, there's a couple of things that we can try. Now, as you can see, I've already opened the Steam and logged into my account, so you have to do the same. And once you do, the next thing that you're gonna need to do is to click on the Steam icon located in the top left corner of your screen, and then select Settings that appears in the drop-down menu. You'll have the settings window popping up like this, and from here, what you're gonna need to do is to click onto the download section in the left-hand side of the window. The first thing that we will need to check is the download region, so I'll give it a click, and then all I have to do is to scroll all the way down until I see the closest region to my location. It will also be the closest to the server that it's going to download my games and updates from. And once I give it a click, it will ask me to restart now, so all I have to do is to click onto the restart now button. Now, the next thing that you want to check is that the limit download speed is turned off and the allow downloads during the game switch turned on. As you can see, it says, if this is enabled, Steam may initiate or continue downloading updates while you have a game or other Steam application running. You can also override this on a pre-game basis in your library. Please note, downloading during gameplay can severely impact game performance on Steam Deck. And now for the next step I recommend is to clear the download cache. Click onto the clear cache button here and then simply click onto the blue confirm tab right here. As you can see, it says that clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps, and that was basically all what you need to do from this window, so let's close it down. Now I'm gonna temporarily hide this screen, and here we are on my desktop. From here, what you're gonna need to do is to click onto the search box down here on the taskbar, and then I'm gonna type in Task Manager, and once it appears, let's give it a click. So now I will have to go to the performance section up here and then click onto Open Resource Monitor at the bottom of the Task Manager window. After that, you will see the network section up here and you're gonna need to give it a click. So if you wanna improve your internet speed while downloading a game on Steam, all you have to do is to close off the rest of these things that are using your internet except for steam.exe. So the most of your internet will be allocated to the Steam app. So that's it, that's how to fix slow Steam download speed. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.